pull the string to make it tight, wrap it around, and bam, you Nicki Minaj. And now you have pulled out the pink Lamborghini just to race with China, okay? China, I love race with China, I love that China, that she race with China, cut the check, bust it down, turn your goofy down. It's synthetic, but it ain't still.
It's synthetic, but it ain't still.
What's up? Hey, YouTube. Hey, what's up? Hey, YouTube. Hey. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to bring you guys your regular old wig review today. Today, I actually have a new type of hairstyle for you guys. And it's the drawstring ponytail life. When I was in like the 5th grade, my mama used to put like drawstring ponytails up in my head. And one time, this little boy pulled my ponytail out of my head in the gym, y'all. I was so embarrassed. Fast forward 2018, and I'm finally feeling like I'm ready to wear drawstring ponytails again. You know, drawstring ponytails, they're really slept on, if you ask me. There are so many endless styles that you can do with a drawstring ponytail. And one of the styles you can do is the Nicki Minaj ponytail that I'm going to show y'all, okay? I'm going to help you guys get your life today. If you want to be bad and bougie without spending like so much money on like human hair bundles, you can just get this drawstring ponytail and slay. That's all it takes, okay? The ponytail that I have for you guys is by Newborn Free, and it's the style Ellis. I have the color 1B, which is like natural, of course, but they have number 2, number 4, FB 130, blonde, red wine, violet. They have so many colors. And it was only $11.99. I don't know if you can see it on that little tag right there. Now, I picked this ponytail up from my local beauty supply store. Basically, I just wanted a new hairstyle. I was kind of tired of wearing wigs, so I just decided to get a ponytail because I knew it'd be quick and easy. I don't know how many inches it is. I could get a ruler or some tape measure and try to see for y'all right now. But anybody got time for that. So if I had to guess, I would say this ponytail, it might be like 20 inches. Maybe 18 to 20 inches. It's pretty long. But this thing was only $11.99. How can I pass it up? So I'm gonna just, put y'all on game a little bit. It's really thick. Like, I don't know how, like, if you can tell. It's a little stiff. I need to brush it. But it's like so thick. Sometimes when you get a drawstring ponytail, they can be like long and like stringy and look real ugly, real dusty. We need a full ponytail. We need people to think that this came out of my head, okay? This is very soft. It has a yucky texture to it, so it's not like a silky ponytail. You know how sometimes certain drawstring ponytails, like those silky kind, you can tell it's a fake ponytail, like the way it sits, the way it looks. This looks like it came out your scalp. So if you're natural, if you want like a straight ponytail, but you're not, getting the bundles to do it, or you just want to look good, get this ponytail. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush through it. And as you can see, it's really easy to brush through. Minimal tangling. I wore it for like a week and I started experiencing like just a little bit of tangling. But once you take it off and like brush it, it'll be better. But you don't want to sleep in the ponytail. I mean, you can, but ain't no need. You sleeping in it. You might as well just take it off every day and just snap it back on there every day. So in the actual ponytail, there are 2 clips. There's one at the front and one at the back, just like with a wig. And there's an adjustable strap, just like a wig. So what you'll do is you're going to put your hair in a bun, your real hair in a bun, and then you're going to clamp the 2 combs to your ponytail, pull the string to make it tight, wrap it around, and bam, you Nicki Minaj. Now, this is a bun I actually did with some braiding hair, so if y'all would like to see how I get this protective style, just let me know. So we're gonna put it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because if you don't follow me on Snapchat, or if you're not like my family member on Facebook, you don't know what the girl be looking like with the ponytail in. So you want to see what the girl look like with the ponytail in. Y'all need to see what kind of slay that you're gonna be getting for $12. I don't think y'all really understand what's going on right now. So hold on, we're gonna see. You want to take any gel, take your brush, take your scrunchie, whatever you use. You're going to brush everything up. Get everything up in a sleek little bun, or if you're like me, a wavy bun, because it's a struggle out here for the naturals. Once you get everything like slicked up real nice in a tight bun, you can put it wherever you want to put it. Mine is kind of like chilling, kind of towards the back of my head. And you want your bun to be as small as possible. So mine is a little bit high. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this scrunchie and I'm going to just kind of try to compress my bun a little bit. Well, Well, it ain't really smaller, but anything look kind of crooked, don't it? Hey, we gonna roll with it though. Tie you a scarf around it, and you're gonna let your hair lay down like this, okay? But basically, this is what you're gonna be looking like. You're just gonna be waiting on your edges to snap in place. So once you've let your edges slick down real nice, you're gonna take your ponytail, okay? You wanna make sure your string is as loose as possible. And I'm just going to clip this thing on my ponytail. That comb, you're just gonna like stick it. You can stick it either in the actual ponytail or like stick it in your scalp. Mine is like just gonna be like sitting like right at the base of my ponytail holder. And you want to make sure it's really in there. So you want to get the back comb, and you also want to place it right in that bun. So now the ponytail is up there, but it's not as secure as it could be. So this is where the drawstring comes in. You want to pull it, and when you pull it, you'll feel the combs like get tighter. And now this little part on the end, you're just going to make it tight. So just pull it up. And I can already feel like how secure this is versus when I just had the combs in there. Now these little drawstring ponytails, baby, will pull these edges. So you really want to make sure it's not that tight. This is really tight right now though. I'm just going to brush it out a little bit so y'all can see the full potential of the Nicki Minaj ponytail. So I don't think y'all really understand what's about to happen. I'm really transforming right now. You're going to come like from the back of the hair, back of the ponytail, and you're going to grab like this much hair. You're going to wrap this around the base of your ponytail so that it can look more realistic and more put together. If it's tight enough, it'll stay by itself. So you don't even have to put any bobby pins in it. You can if you want to make sure it's safe, but you don't have to. There's the genie pony. And now you have pulled out the pink Lamborghini just to race with China. Okay? Okay, Nikki. And baby, I have gone from Nakita to Nikki in like 10 seconds. So let me just do a 360 so y'all can see the ponytail. Let me tell y'all one thing about this ponytail. You're gonna be emphasizing all of your words in it. You're gonna be like turning with effort. Someone calls your name, you're gonna be like, yes, you rang. Like this ponytail, look how much body it has, y'all. Like this thing moves. It's not one of them little stiff synthetic ponytails, but it's synthetic, but it ain't stiff. It's synthetic, but it ain't stiff. Oh, you know what else you could do? I just saw it. You could do a braid. The possibilities are endless, ladies, gentlemen, whoever. Okay, so we just went from Nicki to Beyonce upgrade you. We did. Y'all know Beyonce had that ponytail, the braided ponytail up in the upgrade video. Like y'all know. So it went from Nicki to Beyonce, which is like an upgrade. Like, I mean, either way you're gonna win. Either way you're Nicki or you're Beyonce, you're gonna win either way. So yeah, you can put that thing to the side like that. Let's see if we can put this in a bun. And I'm gonna just try to twist it around like so. Now I don't think it's gonna look like the bun I just had. Okay, it's a little crooked, but y'all get the concept, huh? So we have gone from Nicki to Beyonce. Who had a bun? Eva Longoria? No, that's not her name. Her name is Evelyn Lozada or something. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Basketball wife? The bun. We went to her. So you can do a ponytail, you can do a braid, you can do a bun. And if you don't want to wear your ponytail like high up like Nicki, like this, then you can like put your ponytail like here and like have it drip like that. If you want a low ponytail, I'm sure you can put it on the nape of your neck. So that is the newborn free drawstring ponytail in the style Ellis. Y'all know I'm all about easy, affordable, and bougie. If it's easy for me to style, if it's affordable for me to buy, and if I can look bougie, if I can be bad and bougie on a budget, that's what I'm gonna do. If you like this ponytail, I'm gonna try to find a link. So I'm gonna link it below if I can find it, but if not, Go to your local beauty supply store. Screenshot these. Take a picture of these right now. Get this ponytail. You going on a date, you going out with the girls for the weekend, you might be having a photo shoot, you going to an event, you know your ex gonna be there, you just want to stunt on him. Get this ponytail. It's quick, it's easy, it's so affordable, and like the endless possibilities are just gonna be beating down your door. Okay, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell, you guys. Mention me on social media to tell your homegirls or your homeboys or whoever to follow me. I would really appreciate it, you guys. Okay, and stay tuned for more hair tutorials by me coming soon. Bye. Watch your man. You should watch your mouth. Press, administer mouth to mouth. You see them stacks? You know what I am about. He call me Nicki. He say love me like Lucy. I don't work in no office with that coffee and that specs though. I ain't trying to be violent, but if Nicki on it, it slaps.